Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell something about English literature in the SLET point of view. Okay, so first of all, I am going to tell about phonetics. So this is the book phonetics, and this is also another book. I'll show you the book and the name. I'll tell you. So, and introductory textbooks of linguistic and phonetics. Okay, and this book is uh, especially helpful for NET and SLET aspirant, and in MA course also you'll find if you have linguistic. Okay, this is by Dr. Radhe L. Harsni and another authors also there S.K. Verma, revised by Dr. S.N. Arora. Okay, this book uh, is good because the language is lucid here. So things we have to see for NET or SLET point of view are in the last portion. You can see the sociolect, okay, isogloss, registers. So these things you can see, and in page number 302 the book you can see, and idolect, dysglossia, pidgin, Creole. Okay, so this so those who have linguistic they know. So pidgin is a pidgin is a contact language, a mixture of elements from different natural language. This diglossia, okay, where we find two or more dialects or language. Okay, in regular use in a community, we have a situation which Ferguson has called diglossia. Okay, so idiolect is a variety of language used by one individual speaker. Okay, and Creole, you will read more. Okay, so I just read the introductory line, and there you will get the conception. So Creole, when a pidgin become a lingua franca, it is called Creole. Okay, pidgin and Creole, these two are very very important. Pidgin is a contact language, a mixture of elements from different natural languages. Okay, mixer. So we find mixer elements from two different language, different natural languages. It is used usually restricted to certain groups. Example: traders and seamen. Pidgins are used in some parts of South West Asia. Chinese pidgin, a combination of items from Chinese and English. Okay, so this mixture of language, when it regularly used for a longer period, okay, and then it is if it is become what lingua franca, then it is called Creole. A Creole or a creolized language is a mixed natural language composed of elements of different languages in areas intensive contact. Thus, a pidgin may extend beyond its limit function and permit through various other activities. Then it may acquire a standardized grammar, vocabulary, and sound system, and it may then be spoken by an increasing number of people as their first language. So these two are uh, most important, and some other things you can see. Okay, from this here we'll find but phonology also you can see. So very short question comes, 1-2 questions from phonology or phonetics. Next, so this book I want to show you the book. Okay, this book is very very important. Modern Linguistic and Introduction, S.K. Verma and Krishna Swami. This book. Okay, I used to read when I was MA, okay, in from our university library. But for net or slate purpose, I purchased this book. So the cover is new. Okay, you can see this is also I bought. So what are new books? So now you can see what we will see here. Important things here you'll find from the starting. Okay, diachronic linguistic and synchronic linguistic. So these things you can see. If the study deals with changes that occur in course of time, it is called diachronic linguistic. Example: the history and development of Hindi. If the study deals with the description of a language at a given point of time, it is called synchronic linguistic. Okay, diachronic linguistic and synchronic linguistic both are important. So in one exam, uh, I see. Okay, in the previous year question paper, then you will find what is lang, what is pedal. This is also important thing. The term language includes the entire human potential for speech and writing, both mental and physical. Its actual manifestation that we see and hear in terms of individual utterances. Example, speaking is called parole. Okay, individual utterances is called parole. The abstract system behind the manifestation shared by a social group is called lang. Okay, lang, L-A-N-G-V. So the social system, that means the English I speak. Okay, this is called what? Parole. And the whole English, eh, spoken by entire world. This is what? This is lang. Not only English, in any other language you can say. Suppose in Assamese, whatever Assamese words I speak, this is what? Lang. No, this is parole. Individual utterance is called parole, and the socialist, that the whole books written on that language, in Assamese language, suppose from Shankardev onwards till the present writers, the whole society, what they speak, what they write, all the storehouse of the language is called what? Lang. Okay. So here you will find another thing. A study of science is semiotic or semiology. Language, since language is a sign of system of sign. Okay, these things you can see. Another thing if I find, okay, that must, if you read the whole book you will find many, but since I read the book in 2021 I think, so now it's 2023, 2 years gap. Okay, so when I studied MA, then I used to read the books, but I read the book again for what purpose? Net or slate purpose. And I thank all my viewers who watch my videos, particularly net and slate aspirant. I try to provide uh, whatever resource I have, whatever things I know, I will share with you. Okay, and thank you again for showing so much love to the channel. And although I have uploaded many videos, but I have seen that whatever related to slate or net exams, so viewers are always many, so therefore I try to make another videos. I'll make another video on slate exam. Okay, So this book, if you have, okay, next in the next video I'll tell on some MCQ type, okay, whatever come in the exam, okay. So if you have the book with you, new version you can take, okay. Book hypes UGC net. So soul paper is very helpful, okay. So take one soul paper and repeatedly go to the MCQ type questions, then sure and certainly you will get idea, okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.